Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kakasi Jingshah Farmers Association hapo kajing alam jong uba keling do nongbri kumu president, uba bans kem kharmuti kumu general secretary, uba ke kurba kumu ba Philippi Marwen, kum kinong aiktian ke Kynhun kilalet bani Kynduh yu chief executive member ke KHEDC uba penyat sings em, ban pensngo ha bede ba kijing e ki ba kum Nongrep hapo kajela ki Kynduh nakapor syakapor. Haba keren syakilat bathai khobor ha hendu tarik ukala lingkot arja arpusan, uba keling do nongbri ulaong, baka association kalawan banyak Kynduh yu CEM ke KHEDC hak bede baka jingot kilo jong kinong khayi na kimar jong Nongrep kebalakta syikat de e yaki kum Nongrep nak liang unong aiktian ke seng uba Philippi Marwen ulaong baka ni jingot kilo yaki Marrep ke debet kat kum kamon bat ke jingsngo kwa jongki dak ba benrap ru baka ni jingot kilo yaki Marrep kam de tang kakam ke baknyat ben yaki Nongrep hendai ke de ru kakam ke babean. Hak bede bakani kebenta UCM ke KHEDC ulaong banak liang ke council kala dapat menjur rekaan Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council Establishment Management and Control of Markets Second Amendment Regulation Act Arhajar Arpuwe bat ya kebaladap ban menjuru da ulat ke jelah usnam Arhajar Arpulai hak bakani kaan kan telakam ya ke nuku ke Jingshah khanyot ben ya ki Nongrep
Kakerteng cunga de ba Kristen lingdo nungri de president cungka Kasi Jingshah Farmers Association tinggi dang syuan ni Kynduh mentan ye i sa i CEM beron ada pada kecing Kynduh jungi ngi su tenat hadu kata-kata ba kapoi ha kaplan jungi te ngiwan ni Kynduh nak benta kene ka kam kecing ot kilo chung ki nungkhi nagi mar chung ki Nongrep ta amangi ki Nongrep ki ut chungi ki nung elam choka sen baleng isa pot sa ot kilo ki Marrep la ki Marrep kilong ki babha ngi paru ngi hawat ya kadaw balay ba sa ot kilo nak ta kadaw ngi tip ba ka council kedai ka lenti ban pendai khamtam ya kami kamat tenang tak daw ngiwan ni Kynduh yu he chong ka discouncil ngiwan ni Kynduh i CEM buron badil aingi ki cubam hak jadai bagane ka cipwa jumpi penban ngila pendep penban ya ka itu ka ain mo laisna ain bari itu ain kejadian bad kecing ot kilo kecing tiet lada perung hak ain bari itu ain lada asen do ko banor ta kata na kata daw ngila pau kecing men ba itre ya kakam hoy ye kren sepang kakam ot kilo in Marrep teladai ki nung pej ki badi pej de kmi nagaliang ki ba sna ain ada kimle ei ta ka syusa tang ki kren remata pangisung tu hai ni iba penyai sing sim bro CM il pen pau yu ki train ju i ban i asu men hadu ta ta te tangil ai khublei ro ri mar ila le ta kam kani gari kecing kuat pakai cing not cungi ki Nongrep ta yagane ka ladle dep snai ka ai bar yagane ka ai ladle asan do gubernur pananta ongba idon kam sai ki rules bagi rules ladle pa isu gubernur ni aptang saban asen bansan gubernur lada gubernur ula sanya ketuka rules temut bat ain bat rules keladon hakti chong Nongrep bagi notian nak kata daw ba hadin kata ke ai ke bangila banya sungthu jemut kalau pedeng Nongrep bat Nongrep kinotiet bagi nong di tetah pedeng ke sungthu jemut lado babah dan penyat degawai pat kerukom ubas niu degawai pat kerukom kene gede ke cungkua ke cungi Tela ulong ke ba ni khmi lanti ba ila dap sinai ke rules ba ka ai ba ke rules ta kata hi ba ni wan mentan kurisi ba oi ne ngila kli I leno Pyntreikam rei ong yang ni up sa katu kan yasngi Malaysia kan don ke Kynduh ba ko lat ko not nang ta but ilo ongru ba ngan kerpat ya ulat ba unsule no employ ibran kam bon sign no igin ke rules tang hadian mala sign ya ka rules ta tahang ta insa Pyntreikam
Ma pila ban ka jurtam ka Jingshah kilo.
hoi tiginin Nongrep habaro ki thai nong bandong ba im harem ki amat ing di chinge kam nadu itu ibarap sing ki barap pan ki barap samsar ki barap chur ta ki ba nari bhoy nari luom khasi na wes khasi na chanti hilsu kita kita ki Nongrep ki ba mat Indonesia
Ma ka jing kilo gede na ka ba ki dan na ki Nongrep ki ba wanra lang ki mar ki ba ki bomlong ru te ha ka ba yade ba kana kaliang jong ka seng hi ka dan ka jing bai lang ba ki Nongrep ba kim dei ban le ka e ban long ka ba du nong pat yu nong khai
ngil agar pan ye CM ba ladalong ka ba la ban kampen kloi ban penyikendu ya ka asion jungi ki Nongrep ba ka asion jungi notie patang tangin ya flu jimut ke babha yo babha ngin le tukwe yo bos new dokwe kata ngri ki cingker pa jungi tang ba I la panpo nungi ba andala pendap syua entah assign syua gubernur ini ka ini ka rules tah kata por insi kelubian
ada ba ke kurba ada akan kesen ada kumpul ada besar yang ada besar ngaruh nagalem sunga lawan dulu lang ne menta ya kian nasngoba kebesukenap di kubur bang iyo namar ba ni Nongrep barok Kynhun Nongrep makin wat ya kita ki timot kilo kini kita nang no kadon nang no pengin lek bat hang no ka kinunga le mengi kinung nikmat na kan kaseng ni ha ban ne CM baron kali temen tahu CM ni setengah pala namar ong ilarat snai ka ru li ka ai tebat ko we katu kecil kali ba ba ong ba Nongrep ki thep ki mar ki bomlong dai ni aka meeting barbon la pisah bat Nongrep bat baro sekatah bomdon ru ngum kita ban ong ban ya thep kita ki mar ki ba na chirong ba apo ba basnip dan re haki mau chon ru ndak kilat ledep ban thau kilat the yêu tu mar kate ka kudam te tu ba uba chot uba pe ba ut ngila kentaj ba ngila khen dak we kedor dan re kalong ba susi ba ke sulong ba baro ba suat ba kilo na ka sipo kilo ka kilo na ka sispa kalong sipo kilo tingi Nongrep ni dunong ba parat ke menta Nongrep hi kalong kasyong ba ni duai be tu ble nong bu nong thau bon ai ya ka yom ya samai bala ka baha yom la baha samai la dau sembai tu ni layo ban khai ba baha ten re kalong ka wei pat kayo ru kador ka bayang ni hang ne ngi padon ngai siu ya kat ba ong kat bala kayo la da ka yo ka ba kala kiu kador ni ngala kham sungu em le ke cincar ki Nongrep la pilih sino kendong gi ba em nang karep kabam nang karep paskur nang karep nadong dan nata kadang iwan nang hang ne ba ngikwa ba lada kepala terus em kerpat Sobha yarap lem, ya bu lem ya kador, bagin im lem mengi Nongrep. Nah kalau kita ngang asu tangkatai, membalak keren yang presiden sekamat, tangkatai.
Maka kerteng jonga kadai ban skamlang karmuti dan ngadai kumu general secretary jonga kasi jantia former association ngis ngapen pau kajing sungu kabakrau ya UCM mat yaki pat barok ki badan ti haban thau ya kini rules ti an kini ki kandon ki bas kham na kam ta chung ki Nongrep bula pet simpet isin jam bula chim isin jam ka ba ha na kam ta chung ki Nongrep ki Nongrep i hadian ba kila i ya tu atayom ta la i tu ka kubar balapas ya kene ka an tidak dapat cengkeman. Hari ke kalau pelang ini banwan mi sini bani kunduk CM kalau ba tak hadian belapas ke tu an dulu kat ba kecing seot kilo ayo kan minyak dan kecing kunduk cuma taksi bila ya clarification ba ke rules kan pada ban pas dan kita kadau bangi dang update nanti ya kita ke rules ba governor design ga kita ke rules nang ba kini baro kinlong an ayo hat kinlong legal nak kalau dah ngisya manu kinong kayi lane kino kibala persya ya kane kambat kum kinong rak nyela na ban ujor siaga HDC ta segi board break pet uncu tena kaliang sunga ban bau jing somo ke bakrau ya kini ki basong akan ta HDC presiden men jam ke ba terbang lam ta kinong rak bless
tell you that we from the Khasi Jantia Farmer Association under the leadership of our President Kresen Lengdo, then under the leadership of Banskam Karmuti, the General Secretary who sits over there, and Kamarding Kurba, Vice President Advisor, and me also, I am one of the advisors. By Philip Barwen, we have met the Chief Executive Member, Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and took up the issue of the difficulties of the farmers. There are many difficulties that the farmers face. But today specifically we came on the issue of deduction of weight and measures by the middlemen, by the traders, the middlemen, who are also not only deducting the price as per their whims and fancies, but they deduct the farming produce at their whims and fancies. This is highly, not only irregular, but highly illegal. This should not happen at all. Then on this, the CM told us that the Autonomous District Council have already passed the Act, the Market Act. Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council establishment and management and control of markets, Second Amendment Regulation Act 2021. So they have already passed this act, and the governor has given his assent on 26 July 2023. Then this was issued on 8 August 2023. This is the act. This act that the district council have made has been assented, duly assented by the governor of Meghalaya. Now they have the district council have already made the rules. After the act, they have made the rules. Because without the rules, you cannot implement. So the governor has to assent the rules. So this is the rule, this is the act that was enacted, and this is the rule. These rules will be assented by the governor shortly, but according to the CM, Bapanyat Singh Sim, said that tomorrow he, along with a few of his colleagues, will meet the governor at his residence at the Raj Bhavan and to convince him to immediately give the assent to the rules so that district council will implement according to the act and the rules accordingly, and it will become legal. That will be done. They will say they will convince him tomorrow. Hopefully the governor will give his assent, and hopefully these rules also, this act also with the rules will become act and will become legal, and it will be implemented throughout the jurisdiction of the Khasi Hills District Council. That we hope. Are facing a lot of problems, and so many of them it cannot be enumerated in this short span of time. So we request also the media to highly appreciate our difficulties and also to highlight accordingly to the plight of the farmers, because the farmers are the most neglected lot in the society of Meghalaya. The government of Meghalaya has no power. Till now, they cannot do anything to help the farmers. They big promises during election, they give a lot of promises, but in the end, nothing has come out till today. So the district council have made this act and rule. The district council will implement this, because the state government till today have not made any act and rules. We are very sorry to tell you this.